So, you've got a Western razor, and now you're wondering, how do I shave with this thing? We've got you covered. Let's walk through everything step by step. Unboxing your Western razor. When you open your box, you'll find 5 American-made double-edged razor blades, the razor handle, 2 head components, the clamp and the cap. Assembling your razor. Unpack a blade. Handle it carefully by the short sides as the edges are extremely sharp. Place the blade onto the cap. Sandwich the blade between the cap and the clamp. Attach the head to the handle. Screw it on firmly, but don't over-tighten. Once assembled, you're ready to shave. How to shave with a safety razor. Shaving with a safety razor is straightforward and similar to using other razors. Prepare your face. Wet your skin and apply shaving cream. We love our shaving brush and this Caswell Massey shaving cream. While a brush is helpful, you can also apply the cream by hand. Now we're ready. Hold the razor correctly. Use a 30-degree angle. Let its weight do the work. There's no need to press down like with lighter cartridge razors. Our razor head is fixed, so use your wrist to follow the contours of your face. Make multiple passes. First pass, with the grain in the direction of hair growth. Second pass, perpendicular to the grain. Third pass, against the grain. Use short, controlled strokes. About 1-inch strokes work best. Stretch the skin as needed. For tricky areas, gently pull your skin or make facial expressions to create a flatter surface. Remember, since the razor is double-sided, you can shave with both edges, storing and maintaining your razor. After shaving, rinse your razor with water and you can leave it assembled. Store it on your countertop or usual shaving spot. Blade replacement. Change the blade every 5 to 7 shaves, depending on hair thickness. Used blades are metal and can be thrown in the trash, but check your local disposal guidelines. To keep things safer for waste collectors, we recommend using a blade bank, a simple container for storing used blades before disposal. We hope this guide helps you get started with your Western razor. Check the description for links to any accessories mentioned. Happy shaving!